Brian Mwenda, the alleged fake lawyer, has pleaded not guilty to 6 counts of making false documents, uttering false document and identity theft contrary to the law. Elsewhere, the former accountant at the Kenya Rural Roads Authority, KERA, has asked the courts to unfreeze his accounts holding 21 million shillings before the Mashujaa Day celebrations. That is to allow him pay dowry for his girlfriend. NTV's Ruth Sarmwe has more.
And Brian Mwenda Njagi.
Appearing before the Milimani Chief Magistrate Lucas Onyini, Brian Mwenda pleaded not guilty to 6 charges, among them 3 counts of uttering false documents contrary to Section 347A of the Penal Code, 2 counts of making false documents contrary to Section 353 and identity theft contrary to the Computer Misuse and Cyber Crimes Act of 2018. Through his lawyers, Danstan Omari, Mwenda objected to having the Law Society of Kenya being part of the suit.
The counsel then is the complainant. They complain by recording statements. Then they graduate to be witnesses. They can then not be witnesses and also advocates. They can only appoint an advocate.
Mwenda's arraignment comes a day after he presented himself to the Director of Criminal Investigations headquarters for grilling and was released on 100,000 shillings cash bail. Elsewhere in Mombasa, Happy Mwenda has been sentenced for 10 years in jail after she was found guilty of murdering her 1-year-old son Alvin Mumba in order to travel to the Middle East for a job she had secured. Happy was accused of committing the offense in July 2022 at Bombo area in Kisauni, Mombasa County. The ruling was issued by High Court Judge Anne Oginjo.
The dowry payment was to be on 5th.
Back at the Milimani Law Court, the former Kenya Rural Roads Authority KERA accountant has asked the court to unfreeze his accounts before 20th of October to enable him pay dowry for his beloved girlfriend. Daniel Munyoki Wambua, through his lawyers, told the court that the monies were collected from well-wishers ahead of the ceremony, but he was forced to postpone the event due to the court orders.
But the same cash collections used to be collected by the chairman, one James Kivuva, and in total he deposited 1,912,000 from these collections. I'm coming to others that were giving him directly. The cash collection given to
the commission seeks to rely.
EACC, however, objected to their request by telling the courts that they were investigating Wambua over suspicious activities in his 3 bank accounts. The ruling on whether Mwenda's accounts will be unfrozen or not will be issued on November 9th by Justice Nixon Sifuna. Ruth Sarmwe, NTV.